What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're going to talk paint guns, mainly my paint gun, because it is a Jet Digital 1000 and it is over 20 years old. That's something I didn't tell you guys. Paint guns can last if you keep them clean, but they do have seals in them. They do wear out. They do get, they get where the spray pattern ain't as good as it used to be. I've been looking at upgrading paint guns. I've ordered a couple different things. As with everybody, I've tried the Harbor Freight Special, that purple gun. I'll put a picture up of that if you don't know. It's like $20. It's good. I mean, it's good for what it is. As long as you know how to dial it in, you can spray great. But lately, I was doing a little bit of surfing around on the web and I come across this setup. It's a Vevor paint gun setup. And what's unique about this is, as you see, it comes with 3 guns and pretty much everything you need to get started. It's a great beginning setup, guys. It comes with a touch-up gun with a 1.0 tip. It comes with a medium gun, but great for using basic clears at a 1.3 tip. And it comes with a bigger gun that's awesome with a 1.7 tip that's great for shooting primer or heavy flake if you want to do something like that. Plus it comes with a regulator, a water separator. It comes with all the tips. It even comes with Teflon tape so that you can put your fittings on. Comes with all the cleaners, all the little wrenches, little filters, a ton of good stuff to get you started, guys. So I would highly recommend you looking into it. But for the purposes of today's video, I just kind of wanted to do an unboxing. So let me go ahead and show it off in depth real quick, and I'll show you how it sprays. Just a disclaimer to kind of let you guys know ahead of time, because I know people on YouTube are notorious for pushing products that they get and whatever else. I am not pushing this one bit. This is just something I found. I thought it'd be a great beginner setup for you guys. Or if you just want to have an extra paint gun laying around, hey, here's 3, I just come across this online. I bought it with my own money. I even bought an extra set for you guys. I'll get into that a little bit later on in the video. But yeah, guys, I just, I know a lot of my subscribers are beginner painters. That's why a lot of people are using Rust-Oleum and stuff like that. But, I want to help you guys out. Like I said, I'm trying to grow the channel. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. And, I just wanted to give back. And I want to do giveaways every now and then. I know you get tired of being online on YouTube and different YouTubers pushing, hey, buy this, that, and other, and I'll give you a ticket for winning whatever. Now, I'm not trying to do that with this, guys. I just want to pick one lucky subscriber and send them some stuff, guys. So what I'm going to do, guys, is get a little bit of paint mixed up, and we're going to compare the paint guns. Let's get started. All right, guys, so Vevor paint gun setup. Let's see what we got. Now, as you've seen with my Jet, it's a little bit different. The adjustments are a little bit different. If you look at them, the top one on this one is about the same as this one, but the paint dial adjustment is actually on the bottom on this gun. So when you're dialing in your paint, you actually dial it in right here as far as how much paint you actually get, and then of course your fan speed is still right here. So I'll put some air to it so you can see. Pretty good pattern, guys, honestly. I mean, it's pretty consistent. I put a little bit of Rust-Oleum in this paint gun so I can kind of just shoot this board. Like I said, I don't want to waste a whole bunch of paint, and I don't want to do a whole project on this right now. I just want to kind of show you that this guy puts out a pretty good fan pattern, and it'd be a great gun setup. So let me go ahead and just kind of show you. I don't know if you guys can tell, but look at the fan pattern on that, and I mean, it's got a pretty good consistency, guys. I'd say that's definitely a win. But yeah, if you're looking for an entry-level paint gun setup, this is going to be a great option, guys. It does spray great right out of the box. A few little minor tweaks, and you have an awesome paint job. All right, so I'm sure you guys are wondering, Jonathan, how does it hold up? How is it made? Da, 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 da. Well, one good thing I like is this cup right here is twice the size of the cup on my gun, guys. So as far as the cup goes, and with it being this metal, it's going to hold up a lot longer than the plastic. Plastic tends to crack, yada, yada, yada. The only downfall of this I can really see is you can't see how much paint you got left, but you can do the old slosh method and kind of look through the top. The top is clear. So as far as the construction and everything goes, the tip itself on it is made pretty much like my gun. It's got 6 holes in it and seems pretty good. Do keep in mind, I took this right here and I did have to end up putting it in the vise to break it loose to begin with, but one good thing I like is the construction of this gun right here. It's actually built in with an O-ring right here, so the seal on this is going to be pretty good, and it's actually, I don't know if you can see, that has an indent where everything sits. So the overall design and construction of this gun is actually really good. It's easy to take apart, guys. It's easy to clean, and it's a great option. Alright guys, so just for comparison's sake, I'm going to shoot the board with my gun too, so we can kind of compare the spray patterns, and let's see how these two stack up against each other. Alright, that's a good spray pattern too. Let's see. Not too bad. I need to adjust it a little bit. Not too bad. Alright, so one thing I noticed when comparing the two patterns, guys, is the pattern on this is very square and it's very even, to where my gun is kind of spread out, and I think that might be more so from years of wear and tear or whatever. But honestly, as far as pattern goes, the patterns are about neck and neck, man. Like I said, I could dial it in a little bit better to add a little bit more paint and kind of tighten things up, but I'm not seeing any issues. It's not blotchy, it's not spitting, it's not doing anything out of the ordinary of most good paint guns, guys. So I'm gonna give this one a pass. So these Vevor paint guns, guys, they're definitely a win-win. I'm gonna give them a 9 out of 10. Only because they are on the cheaper end of paint guns. Now you can get some more expensive guns that have crazy things. Even this one, when I first got it, it's got a digital setting on it, but obviously with most electronics, it's going to wear out over time. If you're looking for an easy to use right out of the box paint gun, it's not going to have a whole bunch of thrills, but it's going to get the job done. It's going to give you an awesome finish. I would definitely say look into these Vevor paint guns, guys. And like I said, you get 3 of them with the big cups, the regulator, everything you need to start painting. But on the other end of it, and now this is where I get into the fun part, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I bought an extra set of Vevor paint guns, and as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, guys, I'm going to go live, and one of you guys is going to get a brand spanking new paint gun set up. And man, I'm so glad and so ready to give it away, man. I think it'll be awesome for you guys. I think it'll be an awesome tool to give you some amazing paint jobs. And when you do some amazing paint jobs, you're going to have to share it with me, guys. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you know, tag me, like me, you know, subscribe, all that type of stuff on all my social medias. And if you have other paint jobs you've done, you know, tag me in them, guys. I'd love to see them. I'd love to see what projects you're doing, guys. I'm trying to build a community around Whitley Auto Works, and just, you know, from anybody, from your expert level paint guys that's working in a multi-million-dollar facility, all the way down to Joe Schmo in his backyard that just wants to do a paint job. That's what this is all about, guys. That's what Whitley Auto Works is all about. I'm not taking myself too serious. I'm not putting myself on a pedestal. I'm not some glory guy that's working for a company or whatever else. I'm just a guy in his backyard trying to learn how to do stuff, trying to do it the cheapest way possible, and try to get good results. If I try something and it fails, I'm going to let you guys know. I'm going to show you the fail. I'm going to show you why it failed. But if it's something I can do and I can get an amazing result and get a $10,000 to $15,000 or more looking paint job for a fraction of the cost, and I can show you guys the secrets, learn from my mistakes, and trial and error, guys. I've been doing this for a little over 20 years, And yeah, I still come across new things every day. I'm not perfect, but I'm trying, you know. Glory be to God. But yeah, that's kind of where I'm at, guys. Like I said, the only stipulations for winning this paint gun setup is you got to be a subscriber, you got to like this video, you might want to turn on your bell notifications so you get notified when I go live and find out if you won. And I want you to comment Vevor down in the bottom of my comment section, guys. And as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna go live. I'm gonna pick one of you guys. I might even do 2 or 3. I don't know yet. We're just gonna have to see when we get there. We're still a little ways off, close to about 700 subscribers now. But I'm probably gonna have some other prizes too. I'm just gonna give away whatever I got at the time. I might give away a little bit of paint. Who knows? Maybe some pearls. Guys want some pearls? But yeah. So, like I said, man, that's kind of where I'm at with this video, guys. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Let's break that first milestone, and I'm gonna start doing giveaways. So, hey, free stuff, man. And all you gotta do is click one button, subscribe. Hey, it's a win-win, man. But I appreciate you guys watching, man. It's always a good time. And I will see you guys on the next video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. And until the next one, God bless. Have a good day.